Şımkent'in kızları zın 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 zın.
Всем общий салем! Сегодня мы с иностранцами посмотрим казахские вайны, музыкальные пародии, всякие приколы. Посмотрим, как они отреагируют на это. Ну а для начала позвольте мне их представить. Поехали!
Закир, шар, компот, улибай, капистарь, драм, моп, горный гигант, дос, дикий дос, татарка, чикага.
түсер маған қашан оның көзі
Ділі тәс болса да, ақшасыз болса да, ер жігіттің көркеп оймен сана.
I would say, and it's behaving like Barbie or something.
Wanna be Marilyn Monroe?
Barbie.
Why Barbie?
There was a song of Barbie which had a little bit of this behaviour.
I've seen a couple of videos like this before, where a woman and a guy, sang together. But I have seen better videos, This video was, I would give it 6 out of 10.
This couple became popular in Kazakhstan because she's American
Yeah,
and he is Kazakh.
Kazakh. In our country, the guy in our local language, he did a similar song like that. The girl was from a European girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also popular was because of this detail that she is foreigner. She is a representative of foreign country, Western country.
A Western culture.
Yes.
And you're doing song with a local boy. Yeah, so that might appear appealing to some people.
Yes.
Yeah.
And people, they like it. Oh, our guy, yes, has a good time with a foreigner, a foreign woman, with a white woman. Yeah.
오pas 비판 하와 디징해
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito.
It's quite small, that video, I would say. 1 minute and 9 seconds. And what I will say is, it was funny. But, I mean, if they had put a bit more energy, maybe, it would have been even better.
English guy with same song, with some same, setting or voice. But what would I say? It was not very good video.
Şımkent'in kızları zın 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 zın.
Audiences in our generation that we have, these audiences and these generation motherfuckers actually are into rave music. Rave music like the one with the drums and then 1, 2, 3 like that. Imitating rap music. They cannot imitate rap music. Especially when they're fuckers. And dumbasses, dodos.
The audio was good, the overall song was good, but the video was not very funny. They didn't, there was no story. I couldn't see what they were after.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were just jumping and stuff.
It's a wine, music wine. Wine is a short music video. Yes, which is viral, funny, exciting. Supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yes.
But, there must be some message behind it all.
And you didn't get the message?
No, I didn't get the message.
Okay.
Yeah.
Neither do I.
Yeah.
I didn't get the message as well.
Gözlerim onun
Women look beautiful without makeup. We don't need women to have makeup on. That's one of the things. Plus, women they don't need to behave like bitches or whores to catch a guy's attention. Men like feminine women, but they do not fucking like women who compete with them. And as for the boobs and the legs and all these bullshit, they need to be covered up. We can't really have like women showing their bodies to men's and then expecting no sexual attention or given attention by men. They are given attention by men because of their sex appeal. And the thing is, this freedom and the so-called talk about women's liberation is all about sexual freedom. To make them available to sexual marketeers and to degrade them and their souls. Degradation of soul and body, etc.
Do you agree that this music is very popular in Kazakhstan?
It appears so, yeah. This video was famous because a beautiful girl appeared in it, and she was, you know, she seemed that she enjoyed the song.
Is she cute?
Yeah,
The driver.
yeah, she is. She's handsome, yeah, and.
What about Pakistani women? Do they dress like her?
No, they don't dress like her.
They're not allowed to dress like her.
They are allowed, but usually the culture is not dressing like that. In some elite societies, yeah, in elite, you know, housing societies, they might dress like this, but most women don't.
Пиваю вкусный чай, кушай, пиши и запивай. Если хочешь, давай повторю. Давай кисешку, но только свою.
And the people are sitting there.
They are passengers.
Yeah, passengers.
And what do they remind of?
Are they going to what, charge for something?
Maybe.
So they actually copy that song, that Russian singer song.
You think so?
But, apparently speaking, both of them are shite.
What do you mean by that?
The song's rubbish, and then the parody's quite rubbish as well.
В целом иностранцам понравились казахские вайны и музыкальные пародии. От себя хочу добавить, что на нашем канале уже более 1000 подписчиков, и все это благодаря вам. Продолжайте в том же духе. Рекламируйте наш канал своим друзьям, и пусть они подписываются и вносят свою лепту в развитие канала. Также, в свою очередь, обещаем море позитива и интересных выпусков. Так что, до скорого!